Hello children, so welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Today from mathematics subject, decimals topic we are going to continue. So our today's concept is conversion of units. Conversion of units. So actually in physics subject you might have learned about metric units of length, mass, time, like different quantities or capacity. So here length, mass, volume, capacity. So these are all physical quantities which can be measured. Physical quantities which can be measured. So in metric system or in MKS system, which is based on decimal number system. So already we learnt about this units of length, mass, time, etc. So now let's learn more about these units in this video. So actually we have some physical quantities like length, whose standard unit is meter. Means length is a quantity which can be measured. Length is a quantity which can be measured with the help of one instrument like a ruler or tape. For measuring length, we make use of ruler, tape, which are having some measurements on it. Some measurements are engraved on it. With the help of that, we can measure length of a cloth, length of a room, like that. So this ruler is the measuring device. Ruler is the measuring device and length is the physical quantity. With the help of device, with the help we want to measure physical quantity, means we need the help of unit also, because on the scale already there are some markings which denotes meter, centimeter, inches, like that. So in your geometry box you can take one ruler from your geometry box and you can check with that. On the ruler or on the scale there will be some markings which denotes centimeter or meter or inches, like that. So with the help of ruler we can measure a physical quantity like length. With the help of, for that we need the help of unit, standard unit like meter. In the same way, mass also a physical quantity which can be measured in kilograms. So normally in daily usage we make use of the word weight. In general terms we use the word weight. Actually this mass and weight, in general sense we will use same word for both of them, but they are somewhat different. So let's take the example of weight here. So weight of tomatoes, if you go to market, you want to buy vegetables. So how you will buy vegetables in terms of kilograms? 1 kilo tomatoes or 1 kilo onions, like that. You make use of the unit called kilogram for measuring the weight or mass. Or you might have observed milkman coming to your house in the morning. There he will, from the milkman you will take milk. It will be measured in liters. So how many liters of milk do you want? 1 liter, daily 1 liter, or daily 1.5 liter, or half liter, like that. So if you want to measure the capacity of liquids, here vegetables means it's a solid item. So whatever vegetables are there, they are solids. They are solids which can be measured in kilograms. Whereas if you take the example of milk, or if you take the example of oil, vegetable oil, or if your father is having bike or car, they will make use of petrol. they will make use of fuel called petrol. This milk, oil, petrol, these are all liquids whose capacity will be measured with the help of liter. With the help of liter. So here we have quantities like length, mass, capacity. These are the physical quantities. Length can be measured with the help of ruler. Mass can be measured with the help of common balance. Capacity can be measured with the help of cans, liter can, like that, with the help of cans. So this length, mass, capacity can be measured with the help of units like meter, kilogram, liter. This meter, kilogram, liter are the standard units, means used everywhere. In all the countries, they will make use of these measurements for measuring these physical quantities. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about relationship between these various units. So here 1 kilogram, which is equal to 500 grams plus 250 grams plus 250 grams. Like this relations we are going to learn in this unit. Here kilogram is one kind of unit, gram is another kind of unit. Here we have related 1 kilogram to 500 plus 250 plus 250 grams. Like the relations we are going to learn. So here kilo. So we have some mathematical suffixes and prefixes. So that words in mathematics, these suffixes and prefixes, they will stand for certain values. So here kilo means 1000. It may be a kilogram or it may be kilometer. It may be kiloliter. We can measure any quantity or we can measure length, mass, capacity. It doesn't matter. But if we are using the word kilo means we have to take the number 1000 in the place of kilo. Means kilo stands for 1000. Kilometer means kilo. In the place of kilo, we can keep 1000. 1000 meter. 1000 meter is considered as kilometer, whose symbol is km. Kilogram. Kilo stands for 1000 grams, kg. Kiloliter means 1000 liter. Like that, kilo. Kilo stands for 1000. In the same way, hecto. Hecto stands for 100. So hectometer, hectogram, hectoliter means 100 meter, 100 grams, 100 liters are called as hectometer, hectogram, hectoliter. 10. 10 means deca. Deca stands for 10. Decameter. Decameter means 10 meter. Decagram. Decagram means 10 grams. Decaliter. Decaliter means 10 liters. So here unit. Unit means 1. 1 meter, 1 gram, 1 liter. Deci. Deci means 1 by 10th. 1 by 10th. Deci means 1 by 10th or 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 1. So decimeter. Decimeter means 10 power minus 1 meter or 1 by 10 meter. Decigram means 1 by 10 gram or 10 power minus 1 gram. Means less than 1 gram. This deci values will be less than unit. These values will be less than unit. Or deciliter, 1 by 10 liter, 10 power minus 1 liter. So next, centi. Centi means 1/100th. 1 by 100 means in unit 100th part. In unit value, 100th part is called centi. So centimeter means 1 by 100 of meter. 1 by 100 of meter means in 1 meter 100 parts. 1 meter 100 parts is equal to centimeter. Centigram, centiliter. Next, milli. Milli. Milli means 1000. 1000th part of 1. Millimeter, milligram, milliliter. Like this. Okay. Here the symbol for meter is M, the symbol for gram is Z, the symbol for liter is L. The symbol for liter is L. Liter is L. So here kilo stands for K. Kilo stands for K. Hecto stands for small h. Deca stands for DA. Deca stands for small da. Unit means nothing. Deci stands for small d. Deci stands for small d. Centi stands for C, small c. Milli stands for small m. Small m. Like that, we have some suffixes and prefixes in for conversion of units. Mainly, we will make use of these multiples and submultiples. So here, if this is unit, the units bigger than unit are called multiples. Multiples of this unit. The units which are less than this unit is called submultiples. Submultiples. Like this, we have multiples and submultiples. Mainly, we will make use of these 6 multiples and submultiples for conversion of units. So here, what is length, children? Actually, what is length here? Length is a physical quantity. What is length here? Length is a physical quantity. For measuring length, what we need? We need measuring instrument. We need measuring instrument and unit. But there may be small. If we take the length of an ant, ant, it's very small. Very small. Or if we take length between Hyderabad and Kurnool, it's somewhat long, around 200 kilometers. Means some of the lengths may be small, some of the lengths may be bigger. So that's why for measuring all kinds of length, we cannot make use of same unit. So that's why we need the help of bigger units and we need the help of smaller units. So that's why we have taken the help of this kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli, so that we can measure bigger lengths with these and smaller lengths with these. Okay. Next. So the most commonly used metrics measures are kilometers, meters, centimeters, milliliters. So while measuring length, the most commonly used units are kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter. Regarding weight, commonly used units are kilogram, gram, milligram. Capacity, kiloliter, liter, milliliter. Okay. Next. Okay. Here is the relation, children. What is the relation here? 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer equal to 10 hectometer. Because hecta stands for 100. 10 into 100, 1000. Because kilo stands for 1000. How can we write 1000? 10 into 100. Instead of 100, we have written hecta here. Or how to write in decameter? We can write 100 into 10. So 100 decameters. Because deca stands for 10. 100 into 10, 1000. Or simply we can write 1000 meters. If we have 1 kilometer, in how many possible ways we can write? 1 kilometer stands for, kilo stands for 1000 meter. In terms of meters, 1000 meters we can write. Suppose in terms of decameter, how can we write? Deca means 10. 1000 means how can we write? 100 into 10. Instead of 10, what we are writing? Deca. So 100 deca meter. Or how to write in terms of centimeter or hectometer? Hecta stands for 10. 1000 we write as, so 100 into 10. Here hectare stands for 100. In the place of 100, we can keep hectare. So this is 10 meter. This 100 will become hectare. So 10 hectare. Symbol H, M. How this H came? Instead of 100. Instead of 100, we are making use of the symbol H, because 100 is nothing but hectare. 10 hectometers. So like that we can convert. Next. 1 hectometer. 1 hectometer. Hectare means how much? 1 into hectare means 100 meters. We want to turn into decameter. 1 into 100 means how can we write? 10 into 10. 1 into 10 into 10 meter. So 1 into 10 how much? 10. Instead of 10 what we can write? Deca. DAM. 10 decameter. Like that we can convert. Or in the place of H, directly we can keep 100. So we can remove H, we can keep 100. So then it will become 100 meters. Okay. Suppose here we have 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter. Suppose we have 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter means 1 millimeter. So actually milli means 1000, 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 meter. 1 millimeter means 1 by 1000 meter. 1 by 1000 means 0.001 meter. 0.001 meter. Because here we have 3 zeros. So that's why we will be having 3 decimal places. If we remove 1000, we have to keep point after 3 decimal places because of 3 zeros. So 1 millimeter can be written as 0.001 meter. 0.001 meter. R. Here, milli. Centi means how much? 1 by 100. Means 1 millimeter. What we can write? Suppose 1 millimeter means 1 by 1000 we are having. 1 by 1000 meter. This 1 by 1000 we can write it as 1 by 100 into 1 by 10 meter. 1 by 100 into 1 by 10 meter. Suppose in the place of 1 by 100, what we can keep? 1 by 100 means centi. 1 by 100 means centi. So in the place of 1 by 100, we can keep centi. So it will become 1 by 10 centimeter. Like this. 1 by 10 centimeter. Whose value is 0.1 centimeter. Or we can keep 1 by 100 like this only. 1 by 10 means what? 1 by 10 means what? Decimeter. So in the place of 1 by 10, we can keep decimeter. So in the place of 1 by 10, we can keep decimeter. Then it will become 1 by 100 decimeter. Like this. 1 by 100 decimeter. Or 0.01 decimeter. So if we have 1 millimeter, we can convert into centimeter or decimeter or meter. Suppose 1 millimeter means what? 1 millimeter means 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 meter. We can convert into meter. But 1 by 1000 can be written as 1 by 100 into 1 by 10 meter. If you keep centi in the place of 1 by 100, we will get this. Or if you keep deci in the place of 1 by 10, we will get this. So 1 millimeter can be written in terms of centimeter. decimeter, meter. Okay. Next. So in the same way, here the relation, in what way the relation exists between units of length, in the same way between the units of mass, between the units of capacity, also the relationship will work. So instead of meter, for mass we will take gram, for capacity we will take liter. For capacity we will take liter. So if you want to convert from a higher unit to lower unit, suppose I have 1 kg, 1 kg. I want to convert it into, to convert from higher unit to lower unit. We multiply by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Here, by this you can understand. To convert from lower to higher, we have to divide by 10, 100, 1000, etc. according to the case. Let's see through this example. So, to carry out desired conversions, we have to remember this. So, from kilo, if you want to, suppose 1 kilometer is there, 1 kilometer is there, you want to turn into 1 hectometer. So here what? Hectometer. Kilo after what? Hectometer. So 1 kilometer is there. If you want to convert it into 1 hectometer, what you have to do? This 1 you have to multiply with 10, and in the place of kilo, hecto you can keep. So direct 10 hectometers. 10 hectometers you can keep. If you want to convert hectometer into decameter, if you want to convert hecto into decameter, for that 1 hectometer equal to 10 decameter. Like that. 10 decameter, or 10 hectometer equal to 10 into 10, 100. 100 decameter. 100 decameter. For converting deca into normal unit, again you have to multiply by 10. 100 into 10, 1000 meters. 100 into 10, 1000 meters. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters, because in the units place we are having meter. Suppose we want to convert kilometer into hectometer. So we have to multiply by 10. 1 kilometer equal to 10 hectometer. 1 hectometer equal to 10 decameter. 1 decameter equal to 10 meter. Or if you want to direct from kilometer to meter, if you want to directly jump, means 10 into 10 into 10. We have to multiply with 1000. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Because each jump is of 10 units. For each jump we have to multiply with 10. Kilo to hectare, multiply with 10. Hectare to deca, multiply with 10. Hectare, deca to meter, multiply with 10. Or kilo to deca, 10 into 10, multiply with 100. Kilo to meter, multiply with 1000. Like that. Or from meter to centi, meter to centi. So 1 jump, 2 jump. 1 meter equal to 10 into 10, 100 centimeter. Or meter to milli, 10 into 10 into 10. 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. Here children, 1 minute children. Here, about what we are discussing here. About what we are discussing here children. Suppose here I have 1 kilometer. Here I have 1 kilometer. Now I want to write 1 kilometer in terms of 1 hectometer. So how I can write? Because from bigger to lower, I want to convert from bigger to lower. So that's why what I have to do for converting kilometer into hectometer, whatever beginning number is there, that to be multiplied by 10. 1 into 10, how much? 10. 10 hectometer. Like that. Or if I want to direct change from kilo to decameter, so I am moving two places. I am moving two places. So I have to multiply with 10, then again with 10. So what we can write? 100 decameter. 1 kilometer equal to 100 decameter. We are comparing these two. 1 kilometer and this one. So 1 decameter, 1 kilometer, they are not equal. Here this is 1 kilometer. This is 1 decameter. They are not equal. But as you are taking two jumps, 1 kilometer equal to 100 decameters. They are equal. Or if I want to direct go to the standard unit, meter. 1 kilometer, how many meters? For reaching meter, how many jumps we are taking here? 1, 2, 3. So 10 into 10 into 10. 1000 meter directly we can write. Like kilometer to meter. Kilometer to meter, how many jumps? 3 jumps. For moving like this. When we are moving like this, so we have to multiply 3 times. Or from meter, you are coming to decimeter. 1 jump, multiply 10. 2 jumps, multiply by 100. 3 jumps, multiply by 1000. Or from deci to centi, you are only jumping from here to here. 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. Only 1 jump means 110 we have to take. So from which place to which place you are converting based on that, according to these places. Here how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places are there. Between these 7 places, from which place to which place you are jumping, from one place to another place, with 10 you have to multiply while moving towards right side. Means from higher end to lower end. For each one place, you have to multiply by 10. If they ask 1 kilometer equal to how many millimeter? Means from kilo to milli. For reaching from kilo to milli, how many places we are jumping? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we will write? 1 after 6 zeros. 6 zeros millimeter. 1 kilometer equal to 1 after 6 zeros millimeters. So like that directly we can write. Because for reaching from kilo to milli, we are jumping 6 places. Suppose if they ask if they ask 1 deca to centi, 1 decameter. 1 decameter means 1 dm equals to dash centimeter. If they ask how many places you are jumping? 1, 2, 3. Means 10 into 10 into 10. How much? 1000. 1000 centimeter. Like that. As you are moving like this. Suppose if they ask in reverse manner, if they ask in reverse manner from centi to deca, means they are asking 1 centimeter, 1 cm equal to dash decameter dm. So then centimeter to decameter. So how you are moving? Means lower to higher. 1, 2, 3. You are taking 3 jumps. So you have to divide by 1000. 1 by 1000, 1 by 1000 decameter. 1 by 1000 decameter. So while moving from lower to higher, you have to divide by 10 while moving from higher to lower, we have to multiply by 10. This rule we have to follow while doing the conversion of units. Next. So here, let's see this. How many jumps are there here? From which one is higher? Kilo is higher. Which one is lower? Milli is lower. Higher to lower. Higher 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 jumps are there. Each jump for each jump towards right side, towards lower value, we have to multiply by 10. We have to multiply by 10 into 10 into 10, like that. Suppose we are coming in reverse manner. Milli to centi divided by 10. So centi to deci divided by 10. Deci to unit divided by 10. Like this. Here also divided by 10. So for going right side, higher to lower into 10, lower to higher divided by 10. Like that we have to convert for weight and capacity units also. Next. So here, one exercise is there, children. So, okay, children, this example problems we can learn later in our next video. Okay, children, thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Thank you. Have a good day.